welcome back to the channel, and today we are talking about the Tiny Party Club. Hi, so I hope everyone is doing really well. I have sort of been filming and not filming for quite a long time, just got loads of things that are happening at the moment. But I'm back to do a mystery box today, or I guess a subscription box. I have no subscriptions ever at the moment. I do have what Mark is doing at the moment for me, which is the Pipsticks thing, which I don't really do videos for. It's more for another sort of thing that I'm doing. But this is something that I bought. It is the Tiny Party Club. I saw it as an ad on my Facebook and I immediately fell in love, as I like kawaii and cute sort of things. This was £12 altogether. It's a really good deal, I think. Well, I don't know yet 100% as I haven't actually opened it, but I've seen loads of other YouTube videos opening up this box and, you know, see what's inside. Each one has a pin, and as you may know, there is a video of me sorting out my pin bag, which I actually have. I'll leave a link below if you're interested in pins. But yes, this is something I'm really excited to open. Straight away, as soon as it came through my letterbox, I knew it was this because of the packaging. It's actually so cute. Obviously in the advert they showed this box, but I thought it was just for the advert. You know, I thought it was just going to be a plain box, but this is what the outside looks like. Really cute, and it also has a little sticker of a dinosaur, which is "You Are Enough," and I think this is a dinosaur themed box. So I've already opened it up ready for the video. I haven't actually seen what's inside, so you guys can get the first look, and this is what is inside first. So I like all the tissue paper and all the little confetti bits. I thought it was a nice touch with a sticker. So I'm just going to open it up now. I didn't really want to ruin the sticker, but it's a bit difficult to. So let's start with the very top thing, which is just basically saying, you know, I guess a thank you to buying the box. Yes, so I hope you love this box. Oh, that's a... Ooh. I just saw it. It is a spoiler sheet actually, because it says everything that's in the box. So yes, so the first thing I've picked up is a sticker. It is a glittery dinosaur in a spaceship. I love dinosaurs and I love galaxy stuff. So for this to be a space/dinosaur sort of thing is really good. So yeah, this is the first one. A really nice holographic film on top with stars. Next up, I can see is some washi tape. I don't use washi tape as much as I used to anymore, which is a shame. But this is absolutely beautiful. I love that guy. Look how cute he is. And yeah, just loads of other little dinosaurs. That is so cute. I actually really enjoy that, and I'm happy that that is in here. What is next? Oh, the confetti has just gone everywhere. A postcard as well. So, twinkle twinkle little star, point me to the nearest bar. Yeah. So that is really cool. I think that is all in here except for the pin. So oh no, there's something else in here that was kind of buried. There's a tiny little badge, which is get out of my space. I kind of like that little play on words. And then once again, it's a cute little dinosaur. And yes, so I guess we go to the main event now, which is the pin. So I'm quite excited. These are all now enamel pins, so they are well made. And oh yay, this is really nice. So this is the pin. So that is amazing. It's got glitter in it. It's obviously got the idea of the dinosaur and the spaceship there, and rather lovely. So yeah, I love that. That is amazing. Like, just for £12 alone in this box, this is quite good. I used to go into Comic-Con and paying like £8-9 for a single pin. So to get washi tape, a sticker and a badge is really good for the price. And I'm sorry if you can hear banging. I think my neighbour's doing some bathroom stuff and it's really loud. But yeah, that is the box, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I will be carrying on with my subscription and I will carry on doing videos. Yeah, so if you like this, please like and subscribe. I'm sorry it is a really short video, but it's not, you know, it's not a massive box to talk about or makeup, which I usually do and put on stuff. But yeah, so I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like and I will see you in the next video, guys. So bye.